Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today on the Hi Barbie Challenge, which is a collab that I do each month with Dory from Dory's Dollies, we are doing bigger Barbies, I think we called it, and that is anything over 11.5 inches. The original Barbies were 11.5 inches, and since then, there have been many done in larger sizes. I'm going to show you a few that I have. I have all three of the My First Barbies. Aren't these cute? These are so nice for a younger girl to play with. They have Velcro on their clothing, and their shoes are a little bigger. The only thing is they have rubbery arms and legs, which is cool because they bend. I love that click. For a child, it is hard to get the clothing and shoes off and on. I have the blonde, and I couldn't find her this morning. I have the supersized Barbie about 4 times. I couldn't find the other girls. All of them I think I have found. One I found at a garage sale. The rest I got at antique malls. And then I have these girls, and somebody out there, Dory, will know. Is this a Barbie or a cheap imitation of the supersized Barbie? These are my 36 to 38 inch my size Barbies. I, for a while, couldn't get enough of these girls. I absolutely love them. I bought most of them in thrift stores. Do we find any at garage sales, Darren? We got one at a flea market, one at an antique store, couple off eBay. This Latino or American Indian looking girl here, as well as the black girl over here, are pretty rare and hard to find. I'm very glad to have them in my collection. But if you look at the rest of the girls, they did change the face mold and the makeup. So there is a variation between them. They didn't just keep making the same one. There is one that comes on a, it's a stand. Think about your what are they called? The electronic vacuum cleaners and how they move around the floor. This was a stand that had rollers on it so you could dance with it. It was really cool. And then if you come down a little bit, you'll see my 28-inch Barbie, and I have about a dozen or more of that size. I think they are just lovely. I have more on the shelf here and several still in the box. My rainbow 28-inch Barbie, I wish I would have bought the other two, Latino and black, when I saw them. These are pretty rare. They sold out really fast, and if you find one of these, buy it if it's reasonable, because they are pretty rare. But I really like these girls. They can wear 18-inch doll clothes. This is just a dress from an 18-inch doll, and so is this one. Both of these came from eBay. They're just fun dolls. Thank you, Dory. This is so much fun, and I cannot wait to see what everyone else has for Big Barbie today. Thank you for participating, and if you have, please leave a note in my comments that you also have a video today. And go by and see everybody's. Dory will have something special, I'm sure of it. Thank you for watching. Oh, and show them how tiny I have Barbies right above, too. These are my mini Barbies. And I have quite a collection of those. Some of those are harder to find than others, too, and I really like them. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.